Welcome to the Scholars Learning classes. In the previous video, we have started about the acids, and in this video, we will be studying about the bases and the salts, as we are pursuing our chapter which is acids, bases, and salts. Now, see, I told you that whatever the things that taste sour contains acids. Now, you might have baking soda at your home, right? Your mother might use the baking soda in cakes, in pastries, right? Now ask your mother to give you a pinch of baking soda and taste it. It will taste bitter. After that, prepare a solution of baking soda and water and rub it between your fingers. Now, when you start rubbing the solution of baking soda and water in your fingers, you will feel that it is soapy. So, the substances such as baking soda, substances such as baking soda that are bitter in taste and feel soapy to touch are called bases. Right? Now, see, base has the property that they can neutralize the acids. So, base can neutralize the acid's acidity. Now see, whenever you feel like there is an acidity in your stomach, what you do, you drink the Eno, right? Now what is that Eno? What is the substance that is under that Eno? That is base. Because base can neutralize an acid's acidity. When people suffer from acidity in the stomach, they take an antacid. Antacid are bases. They neutralize the acid in the stomach. Now, if I name about various bases they are magnesium hydroxide, then or you can say aluminium hydroxide, then is your magnesium hydroxide and aluminium hydroxides are mild base, a very light or weak base. If I talk about a strong base, then calcium hydroxide is a strong base. Now, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide from which soap is made are also the strong bases, like sodium hydroxide. This bases are used in order to make the soap, as the bases are a soapy substance. So the soap is made out of this sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Right. So this is your strong bases. Now what are salts? See, I told you that base can neutralize an acid's acidity, right? Now when you combine the base and acid with each other, they will neutralize each other's chemical property and the new substance will be formed, that will be a salt, right? So when acids reacts with base, they neutralize each other's chemical properties and a salt and water are formed. Now, for example, when hydraulic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, or you can say caustic soda, common salt, and water are produced. Now, salts can be acidic, basic, or neutral depending upon their composition. If you have more of acid and little of base, then it will be more acidic. If you have equal amount of acid and base, then it will be a neutralized one. If you have more base and less acid substance, then it will be more basic salt. So it depends totally upon the composition. So the salts can be acidic, basic, and neutral depending on their composition. Right? So these chemical compounds can be divided into these three broad categories that we have studied: the acid, bases, and salts. I hope you have understood these the acids in the previous video and the bases and salts in this video. Any doubt, any questions, any queries, you can write it us on the comment box. I'll be there to help you. And don't forget to download our Scholars Learning app.